project which is all about modernizing the manufacturing assets within the state of South Carolina. If we are successful in its implementation, we can realize a platform that not only the industries that we're going to work with, but other industries can also take that platform and start modernizing their legacy assets. And that way, in down the lane in few years, you can see the entire manufacturing system within the state being connected and having smart technologies enabled in their systems.
It's upgrade of this existing manufacturing, the old equipment, the legacy equipment and the manufacturing lines, and to upgrade them to the Industry 4.0, to make them smarter, to make them higher productivity and more efficient.
And that's what the whole Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing goal is how do we want to be using the science and technology we have to wind up manufacturing more effectively so we can sell products to the world.
Integration is a key word from my point of view for this project, and we are talking about integration of different technologies, integration of different expertise from different people, and different institutions, and to accomplish a common goal in the real world manufacturing application.
South Carolina is a place that's actually transforming from being a place where we're doing branch manufacturing to a place where manufacturing innovation is at the forefront. And so it's really exciting to see how the entire Clemson community is moving forward and stepping up to these challenges together.
South Carolina Research Authority has been extremely supportive of the work that we are doing at Clemson University and Clemson Composite Center. Clemson is extremely well positioned today as a leading entity, not only just in the state, but also across the country.